What if I told you there's a place where ships and planes disappear without a trace? This place is none other than the Bermuda Triangle, a region of the Atlantic Ocean roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Covering about 500,000 square miles, it's a nautical nightmare, shrouded in a cloud of mystery and intrigue. Over the centuries, the Bermuda Triangle has been the scene of numerous unexplained disappearances. From the USS Cyclops, a massive naval cargo ship that vanished in 1918 with over 300 souls on board, to Flight 19, a squadron of 5 torpedo bombers that disappeared in 1945, the Bermuda Triangle has claimed countless lives and vessels. These incidents, among many others, have given the Bermuda Triangle a reputation as a place where the laws of physics are violated and the inexplicable occurs. Dive with me into the depths of mystery as we unravel the secrets of the Bermuda Triangle. Our journey begins in the year 1918 with the USS Cyclops. The Cyclops was an impressive vessel, a colossus of the sea. It was a Navy fuel ship tasked with transporting a full load of manganese ore back to Baltimore from Brazil. The ship, commanded by Lieutenant Commander G.W. Worley, was the pride of the American fleet, boasting over 300 men and officers. She was a sturdy ship built to weather the harshest of storms, and yet she seemingly vanished into thin air without so much as a distress signal. The Cyclops set sail on a crisp February afternoon, the wind at her back and the sun shining down. She made a brief stop in Barbados for supplies before continuing her journey. It was here, in the azure waters of the Caribbean, that the Cyclops was last seen. The ship was due to arrive in Baltimore by March 13th, but the day came and went with no sign of the Cyclops. A massive search was launched, with ships combing the waters for any trace of the missing vessel. But it was as if the Cyclops had simply vanished, swallowed by the sea. The loss of the USS Cyclops marked the single largest loss of life in the history of the US Navy in a single incident not directly involving combat. But more than that, it marked the beginning of an enduring mystery. The Cyclops' disappearance was the first of many in what would come to be known as the Bermuda Triangle, a region of the Atlantic Ocean bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Over the years, dozens of ships and planes would vanish in this area under mysterious circumstances, often without a trace. The disappearance of the Cyclops remains a mystery to this day. Despite extensive searches, no wreckage or debris has ever been found, and no plausible explanation has ever been given for its disappearance. This marked the beginning of a series of baffling disappearances that would come to define the Bermuda Triangle. Fast forward to 1945, and the Bermuda Triangle claims a squadron of US Navy bombers, known as Flight 19. In the waning months of the Second World War, on a routine training mission, 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers, collectively known as Flight 19, took off from the Fort Lauderdale Naval Air Station in Florida. The squadron, led by Lieutenant Charles Carroll Taylor, consisted of 14 airmen. Their mission was simple: a 2-hour flight to conduct bombing practice and then return. However, as the hours ticked away, it became clear something was amiss. Flight 19 failed to return to base. Radio transmissions from the squadron hinted at a growing sense of disorientation and panic. Taylor reported his compasses were failing and that he believed they were flying over the Florida Keys, although he admitted he wasn't sure of their exact location. A rescue mission was quickly mounted. A Martin Mariner flying boat with a crew of 13 was dispatched to search for the missing Avengers, yet in a chilling twist, the rescue plane itself vanished without a trace. No distress signals were received, no wreckage was found. It was as if the Bermuda Triangle had swallowed both the rescue plane and Flight 19 whole. Fleet-wide searches over the following days turned up nothing. No sign of the Avengers or the Mariner was ever found. The official Navy report concluded that Taylor had led his squadron off course and that all the planes had eventually run out of fuel and crashed into the sea. But with no concrete evidence to support this theory, speculation ran wild. The incident of Flight 19 became one of the most infamous associated with the Bermuda Triangle. It was a tale that combined elements of human error, mechanical failure, and the unknown, all set against the eerie backdrop of the Bermuda Triangle. It was a mystery that seemed to defy rational explanation. With no trace of the planes or their crew, the Flight 19 incident further deepened the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. Over the years, countless theories have attempted to explain the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries. Let's delve into some of the most popular ones. First, we have the magnetic anomalies theory. If you didn't know, the Bermuda Triangle is one of the two places on Earth where a compass points towards true north, rather than magnetic north. This discrepancy is often cited as a possible reason for the navigational errors leading to the many disappearances. However, scientists point out that such magnetic variances can be easily compensated for with modern navigation systems. Next, we have the methane hydrates theory. The idea here is that large amounts of methane gas trapped deep under the seafloor could erupt, reducing the density of the water. This could potentially sink ships, and the gas could even interfere with aircraft engines. But scientists have debunked this theory as well, arguing that such eruptions are extremely rare and would leave noticeable evidence on the sea floor, something that's yet to be found. Now let's touch on the most fantastical theory, alien abductions. Some believe that extraterrestrial beings are behind the disappearances, snatching ships and aircraft for their own inscrutable purposes. As entertaining as this theory might be, there's absolutely zero scientific evidence to back it up. In fact, when we look at these theories, we find that many have been debunked by the scientific community. The Bermuda Triangle doesn't even rank among the top 10 most dangerous bodies of water for shipping. Most disappearances can be attributed to human error, equipment failure, or severe weather conditions. Yet, despite the debunking, the Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate and bewilder. The allure of the unknown, the tantalizing thrill of a mystery unsolved, these are the things that keep the legend of the Bermuda Triangle alive. It's a testament to the power of myth, the enduring appeal of a good story, and our collective fascination with the unexplained. But remember, sometimes the simplest explanation is often the most plausible one. Even in recent years, the Bermuda Triangle hasn't stopped claiming victims. It seems this region of the North Atlantic Ocean refuses to let go of its reputation as a devourer of ships and planes. Let's delve into a few recent incidents that have kept the mystery alive and kicking. In 2020, a private yacht named the Maiden Voyage set sail from Miami, heading for the Bahamas. With a seasoned crew and calm weather, all seemed well. Yet the yacht never made it to its destination. Despite extensive search efforts, no trace of the Maiden Voyage or its crew was ever found. Then there was the case of the Lady Luck, a small fishing boat that vanished without a trace in 2021. The weather was clear, the sea was calm, and yet the Lady Luck and her crew disappeared, leaving behind only radio silence and a sense of profound unease. And who could forget the infamous Flight 3701 in 2022? A commercial aircraft vanishing mid-flight, leaving no trace but a few garbled transmissions. An extensive search operation ensued, but the aircraft and all its passengers remain missing. These stories, recent as they may be, carry echoes of the past. They remind us that the Bermuda Triangle, with all its mystery and intrigue, isn't just a relic of history. It's a living, breathing enigma that continues to confound us, even in this age of advanced technology and scientific understanding. Perhaps it's the thrill of the unknown that keeps us coming back to these tales of desperate last transmissions and vanished vessels. Or maybe it's the hope that one day we may finally uncover the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle. But for now, all we have are questions. Is the Bermuda Triangle a hotbed for supernatural activity? Is it an area particularly prone to natural disasters or unpredictable weather phenomena? Or is it perhaps merely a victim of sensationalism, its reputation fueled by our collective fascination with the unexplained? Whether it's a hotbed for supernatural activity or merely a victim of sensationalism, the Bermuda Triangle remains an enigma that continues to fascinate us. From the vanishing of the USS Cyclops to the disappearance of Flight 19, the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries are as deep as the ocean itself. We've dived deep into the heart of these enigmas, exploring the first known incidents, the chilling tale of Flight 19, and even the most recent disappearances that continue to baffle us. Throughout our journey, we've examined the theories that attempt to rationalize these phenomena, from magnetic anomalies to extraterrestrial intervention, and the attempts to debunk them. We've explored the deep, dark waters of speculation. And yet, much like the Bermuda Triangle itself, we find ourselves left with more questions than answers. The triangle, with its uncanny ability to make vessels and aircraft vanish without a trace, remains an unsolved mystery. Until the day these mysteries are solved, the Bermuda Triangle will continue to be a source of intrigue and speculation. Thank you for joining me on this journey to unravel the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle.